So Mama was nursing last night, but she keeps shaking them off this morning, so I'm trying different things. This is some dry food with water. We've got some wet food with water over there. This seems much more popular. Hello! They are trying to suckle on my leg. That's not working so hot. And I gave them one of these, which they all enjoyed. Here, try that. Yeah, it's big enough. It's big enough. Here. Come here, Angel. So they apparently weaned when they were in the shelter. I'm not really sure how that happened. They were in a cage with Mama. There's somebody trying to find a nipple on my foot. Oh, hello. What would you like to say? What would you like to say, Tiger? Yeah? Yes? Hello? Don't worry, we're going to get you fed. I know. I know. Yeah. Mama, you need to feed them sometimes still. You got another couple weeks to go, Mama. Oh, hello. Hello. Where are you going, Goblin? I mean, Mako. Oh dear, I've forgotten their names while they were gone. Okay, you have that food. It's right here. Angel, don't tip that over. It's right there. There's the food. Put that on there. Where you going, bud? You're just exploring? There's Mama, just watching the chaos. Yep. Not interested in feeding the babies this morning. Gosh. You gotta let go, boo-boo. Right, I got a cat stuck to me.